NIO teases its flagship sedan with massive 150 kilowatt per hour battery. Here we have NIO approaching its all-time high of $57. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. So we got a teaser. This image right here is definitely getting me excited for NIO Day, which is coming up in literally 5 more days. We just have to wait 5 more days, and then we'll see a lot more information about their new battery and just more stuff, actual specifics about the sedan. We know that it has lidar and all this technology, and it's gonna be you're basically getting close to full automation. So that's very exciting that we're heading into a future, right? We are ready for tomorrow, and if you invest in Tesla, you invest in NIO, I believe you will be ready for tomorrow financially. Now, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my own opinion, and I'm just providing you these updates and stuff to hopefully keep you guys bullish. If any of you guys are holding or whatever, just keeping the same bullish energy coming into 2021. Now check it out. These are some images. We've seen this before. This is from the 2019 show where they actually showed some previews and stuff, the ET preview. This is kind of old news, but you guys can see the car looks amazing. I mean, from the back, front, side, and even the rims look great. I know I'm scrolling through these really fast, but I don't want to spend too much time on these. But yeah, NIO's definitely getting up there to all-time highs. We ended up waking up to $54 around there, and then came back down to what the price is currently. But like I mentioned on last week, I was talking about the RSI and how we were just looking to move up because there was a divergence. I mean, this is very bullish because it looked like it was making higher lows. So when you see something like that happening, and you see like a MACD a crossover about to take place as well, you could tell there's going to be a reversal in the prices. Like, it's going to go up, instead of being on that downtrend. Hopefully now we're going to build up enough momentum due to the people accumulating for a while, and then using that buy pressure to bring us back up to 57 and beyond that. That's what we're trying to hope for, I guess, as investors, that that we can ride this stock up there and keep it up there, especially with good news and sales and continued quarterly results that are amazing, like last quarter. All that stuff is going to kind of culminate and cause the price to go up. Like, think back on how many weeks we've stayed around $40 to $50 for NIO. Now that was basically the accumulation zone, so we've stayed there for a while. There's been a lot of buyers, and there's been sellers, but mostly buyers. And I think that buy pressure is going to come through for us here on or around NIO Day, and it's going to cause the price to go up. Just a perfect storm. EE7 being unveiled, new battery swap station, new battery on top of that. Like, just so much stuff is coming together, guys, and it's all happening this month. And this is just to kick off the year. So analyzing NIO's unusual options activity. Shares of NIO saw some unusual activity on Monday following the unusual option alert. The stock price moved up to $52.80. Sentiment is bullish, like I've been saying. Option type sweep, trade type is call. Expiration date is the day before NIO Day, which is January 8th. Strike price $58. Volume is 3,726. Open interest is 9,521. Someone just replied saying, "What does sweep mean?" He said he did a search. Sweeps are typically large blocks, so sweep orders indicate that the buyer wants to take a position in a hurry, which could imply that he or she is anticipating a large move in the underlying stock share price in the very near future. Hence why it was done right before NIO Day. People buying up a lot of sweep calls. Let's hope that unusual options activity translates into NIO being a higher price on or around NIO Day, and just stays at a higher price, not just leading up to that day. I'm talking about that we have more people longing NIO. Now, don't forget about your 4 free stocks with Webull. Guys, sign up, limited time offer. This won't last that long, but you get 4 free stocks today if you join. The sign up process is so easy. It's like less than 5 minutes, and you get free money. So I don't know who doesn't like free money. I mean, I like free money. I don't know about you. The link will be in the description of the video. Check it out, click on it, and it's also in the pinned comment, by the way. So the NIO model December sales, you guys can see they're selling 3 cars, but the one that outsold all the other 2 is the EC6. Now, this is not normal, because if you guys look, just on October delivery this update right here shows you that In October, so just like 3 months back, NIO sold 883 EC6 vehicles. Now in November, check this out. This is what's interesting. In November, I'm on their official website right here. They sold 1,500 EC6s in November, and now we got word, guys, that the EC6 sold about 2,500 times. Like literally, I'm calling for the EC6 to sell 3,000 vehicles in January 2021. So this is what my prediction is. If they follow that growth, because it looks like the EC6 in sales is growing exponentially. Now normally the ES6 is the one. This one right here is the one that outsells the other cars, because it was just until now that we've seen the EC6 coming out on top. Yeah, and also Barron's, we have this article right here. Tesla NIO delivery show the EV sector is white hot. Stocks rise. So Webull analyst Dan Ives wrote in a Monday research report that demand is robust in China, a recurring theme across the EV space. He called the Chinese EV market white hot and is optimistic that 2021 will be another strong year for EV sales in the country. China is a linchpin of growth for the EV market, adds Ives. So yes, guys, analysts are calling for these EV stocks to keep going up in 2021. Very, very bullish right there. Shout out to the Raging Bull for sharing this on Twitter. But one of the most detailed analysis I came across by recently. Now this shows a user on TradingView who posted this analysis. Basically, is TA technical analysis of NIO and where it could go in the future. It looks to me like he used the Elliott wave theory to map this out. But if we follow that same pattern up, like we have recently when NIO went up in price, up to $57, we could go up to 92. But that would only be possible if those conditions are perfect and it follows that exact same wave pattern. But who really knows what's going to happen? This is just speculative in my opinion. I'm more focused on the fundamentals and the technical analysis, to be honest. That's just the way I view my long-term investments, just fundamentals. Mainly 80% fundamentals, 20% would be technical analysis and what's going on, day to day. But the CICC raises NIO price target to $60, another buy rating and upgrade to NIO. Says the Model Y price cut will have limited impact. Look at these fundamentals. Now, there's the recent price upgrade from Bank of America to $59, and this one just a little higher than that, $60, is just very bullish in my opinion, because this is coming from a top Chinese investment bank. They said that in a report that was released yesterday on Monday, and this is what they said: with the rapid increase in new energy vehicle penetration in China, the Model Y price cut will have limited impact on NIO, and new energy vehicle companies will move forward together. That's what the CICC said, and this is a top bank from China, so they're in that market. They're in the trenches over there in the Chinese EV market. They know what's up. If there's any insiders that know how these companies will perform in the future, especially these Chinese EV companies, it's a Chinese investment bank, because they're the ones who are in there. They're there. They know what's going on more than any institution here in the U.S. for sure. The CICC maintained its outperform rating on NIO and raised its price target by 15% to $60, corresponding to a 23% upside. CICC noted that NIO's data released on January 3rd showed record December sales of 7,000 units. We know about that, but yeah, very bullish. This is their graph right here. What do you guys think is going to happen to NIO in the short term? I think it's definitely on the rise. So be on the lookout for NIO stock, and also XPeng, because they got the flying cars, information stuff that's been coming out recently with them. That's pretty bullish too. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like and comment on it, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications so you guys don't miss out on future uploads. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.